How to get Temu Energy without sharing. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. So, in order to get energy without sharing, you have to log into your Temu app on a daily basis. You can earn energy and bonuses. The longer your login streak, the more energy you accumulate through your Temu account. And the second way you can retain your Temu energy is by completing some tasks. This app provides you various tasks that you can complete to earn energy. Thirdly, you can also watch some ads that is usually 30 seconds to a minute long. This will help you to earn small amounts of energy. And lastly, you can participate in special events and promotions. So Temu frequently hosts special events and promotions that offers significant energy rewards. Also make sure that you keep an eye on the events section of the app to take advantage of these opportunities. And that way you can earn some energy from Temu without having to invite your friends. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.